to again Q square by 2A epsilon naught. What is Q? Q should be equal to C into V. F naught A D. What all will get? F naught A V square by 2D. Look at this. This much is what the initial. Okay, now let me bring a slab between that.
D square, sir.
D square.
D square is there. Yeah. Same capacitor, same dimensions. What will happen to the thing? So the charge will no longer will be Q. It has to change because what was the earlier capacitance C, no? So now the new capacitance will be K epsilon naught A by D. So the new charge should be C dash into V. This will be the new charge. Again, what is the basic idea? The force of interaction. So let's again, the method is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So the induced charge will be there plus Qi. So now we know Q dash. After getting Q dash, you calculate Qi. Qi should be equal to Q dash into 1 minus 1 by K. K epsilon naught AVD K minus 1 by D. This is the induced charge. So this will be like this. This will produce field. This will produce field. Okay, the charge present here will experience a force due to 2, 3, and 4. So F1 will write it. This force is what we are trying to calculate. No? So what is the charge? Q into E2 I cap minus E3 I cap. So no doubt due to this, it will cancel out because E2 equal to E3. This fields will be, this will cancel out. What should be the E4? E4 should be equal to Q by 2A epsilon naught into I cap. This is, so this will be the new charge, or I think Q dash I wrote. Only this much. Value of Q will be K epsilon naught AV by D whole square. Oh, let's go for only magnitude. K square epsilon naught AV square by 2D. 2D square. So definitely F1 is K square times of F. So force of interaction between the plates will increase. Always isolated charged capacitor connected to cell. Definitely wide varieties of questions will be there for you. Force of interaction between plates increases. This we have discussed, but somewhere the end conclusion brought it and the sentences were not there, something that's why I just trying to put it once again. Force of interaction between plates increases on insertion of slab in the capacitor that is connected to cell. Capacitor, isolated charge capacitor, capacitor connected to cell. Things are different. We can't generalize everything in this discussion. That's why the two cases, I think everywhere this was happened. No? Isolated capacitor connect.